Hello students. I welcome you all with to another video of English learning. As you all know, in the previous video we discussed about email writing, right? I taught you how to write an effective email, what is the pattern of email, how a proper email should be drafted. In today's video, my dear children, you are in class 12 and you are going to appear your board exams very soon, and in writing skills you have these two questions where you have to draft an email, write an email, and you also have to write a letter. You also have the question of letter writing. So let us discuss in today's video how to write a letter. Okay, now most of you all think that, okay, now why is ma'am teaching us a letter writing now? Because the format of the letter, if it goes wrong, you tend to lose marks. There are chances that you might lose your marks that you really may get, or which are which you can get very easily. So let us move on to that topic in today's video. We are also going to see how a proper email also is written. The format of the letter and the format of email, both we are going to do simultaneously in today's video. Now, dear children, letter writing is nothing but a mode to communicate with people. Now, communication is verbal and written. Verbal communication, where we are talking, like one, this video is also an example of verbal communication. And in written communication, you have emails, you have letters, you have SMSs, you have written chats. So, for letter writing, there are two types of letters that we usually write. Now, one is formal letter and the other is informal letter. Now, what are formal letters and what are informal letters? Now, only two types of letters are there. One is the formal one, or which we call as business letters, and the other one is informal one. Okay. Now, informal you can also call as the friendly letters, or the letters that you write to your friends, families, colleagues, etc. And informal means one which you write for business purpose. Okay. So, how it should be written and what are the factors and how it has to be written, that we are going to learn in today's lecture. Now, as you all know that there are two types of letters. The first is formal letter or business letter. Now, what are the examples of formal letters? The letters that you write for work purpose. Okay. Now, business means wherever you have to apply for a job. That is one kind of example. Your leave application to your principal, to your class teacher, applying for a bona fide certificate, applying for a school leaving certificate or a college certificate, and a complaint letter that you write to the editors, okay, regarding power supply, regarding irregular water supply, bad conditions of road, etc., etc., etc. These are the all the letters are they term or they come under the term formal letters. Second type of letter is informal letter, which are not there for you in this academic year. You don't have to write a letter to your uncle, you know, telling him about your future plan, writing a letter to your cousin brother, motivating him to leave up social media and study. These all letters that you write to your friends, you know, inviting them over for your birthday party, a marriage invitation. All these things, letters, they come under the term informal letters. Okay. Now, our focus for today, for this day, is the formal letter. Now, as you can see, my dear children, the screen that I have presented before you very clearly says the outlook or the format of a formal letter, how a formal letter should be drafted. Now, as you can see, just focus on the, I have given you the main points of the letter. The letter actually has not been drafted. When you write a letter, dear children, you have to start from the top, left hand side top. First and foremost, the first thing that you will write is your address, the sender's address. ओके, यहाँ पे बहुत लोगों को कंफ्यूजन है कि किसका एड्रेस पहले आएगा एंड हुज एड्रेस शुड बी रिटन. First always comes the sender's address. ओके, वट एवर दैट मे बी, एंड दैट एड्रेस ऑल्सो यू शुड राइट प्रॉपरली. आप वो एड्रेस भी आप लोग ठीक से नहीं लिखते हो. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम योर हाउस नंबर, then you have to move on to your district, then the state, and then you have to also write your pin code. Okay. After address comes the date. बहुत confusion है, date कहाँ लिखे. After the address comes your date. Okay. Then you have to come to the address of the addressee. आप letter किसको लिख रहे हो, to whom the letter is being written. First you are your address, because you are writing the letter. Okay. Then to whom you are writing the letter. Now see the way they have written the further this format says, the editor, Times of India, New Delhi. Okay. Now most of the children make the mistake of writing it in one single line. आप लोग लिखते हो, to the editor, Times of India, Delhi. Everything should not come in one line. Cut it, enter, enter, enter. It should come in three lines. अगर आप editor को लिख रहे हो तो you have to write the editor. Now editors are there for the newspaper, to Times of India or Pune Times or any other newspaper, and then comes the state, which letter you are writing the letter. You can write it to Pune, Mumbai, whatever it is. Okay. It has to be in three lines. Okay. Off nahi aayega, आप off भी use करते हो, editor of Times of India, no. Instead of writing off, you have to come down and you have to write it is understood. Now, principal, if you're writing a letter to the principal, applying for a leave of say 1 month or 2 months, you need not write principal of Ahmednagar College. No, just write the principal. Down new line पे लिखो Ahmednagar College. Then it is understood कि letter किसको लिखा जा रहा है, to the principal of Ahmednagar College. So you need not write that off. This is another big mistake that we come across when we check your board papers. Off नहीं लिखना है. If you're writing to the vice principal, to the class teacher, to the manager of a bank, to the manager, to भी नहीं लिखना है, the manager of HDFC Bank नहीं लिखना है. You just have to write to the manager. In the next line you have to write HDFC Bank or the State Bank of India. Okay, understood? Let's move on. Then after the address, the date, then the addressee जिसको हम letter लिख रहे हैं, comes the subject line. Very very important part of your letter. Subject line is the, you can say, the tagline of your letter. You are summarizing your entire letter in that subject line itself. The subject line should not be very long, it should be short, and it should sum up or it should give the reason of your writing a letter. सब्जेक्ट पढ़ने से ही समझ में आना चाहिए कि आपका लेटर किस बारे में है. Okay, so it is very important to write a good subject line. You have to practice how to write the good subject line. Now, one hint I would like to give you, that your subject line you have to crop from your question itself. जो क्वेश्चन आपको दिया जाता है उससे ही आपका सब्जेक्ट लाइन आप लोग ले सकते हो. कैन अडॉप्ट द लाइन फ्रॉम देयर. इट नीड नॉट बी इन अ कंप्लीट sentence, children. It can also be a short sentence. For example, complaining about irregular water supply in Ahmednagar district. Understood? So your subject line is very important, very very important. Whether you're writing about improper garbage disposal, whether you're writing about excessive use of plastic bags, if you're writing a lot of noise pollution in your locality, any topic, any complaint letter. Basically this year you are going to attempt two types of question. One is the letter that you write for your job application. Second one, you are going to get the second type is that you have to write a complaint letter. Okay. Complaint letter means what? Not complaining about your personal issues or personal problem. Complain matlab complaining about the things going on in the society. Okay. So subject line. After subject line, we come directly to the topic and we start the letter. Letter hum start karte hain. That is called as salutation. It is there in your screen. Salutation. That means आप किस नाम से वो letter draft कर रहे हो. To how do you address? Salutation means sir, ma'am, Mr, Mrs, etc, etc. Okay. So we usually, if you don't know sir or ma'am, we put an oblique and you usually address them formally. Okay, you don't use words like dear, my dear. No, you have to keep it formal. You write dear, respected sir, sir or ma'am. That is the salutation. After that, you come to the main body of the letter. Main paragraph आपका start होता है sir के बाद. Okay, when you have given your salutation, then starts your main body of the letter. Your letter should be classified into three paragraphs, children. First paragraph, introductory paragraph. second paragraph would be the main content, main topics, and third paragraph would be the concluding paragraph जिसमें आप लेटर को sum up करते हो, end करते हो, thank करके, closing the letter. How a speech is formally concluded, okay. So your letter should have three paragraphs. Okay. Now three paragraphs ka matlab hai you have to write a lot of stuff. No. Few lines, you can write three lines, four lines in first paragraph, then move on to the second paragraph, and then move on to the third paragraph. In this manner, the letter that you're writing, 7 to 8 lines minimum or 10 to 12 lines maximum. Don't go beyond that. Formal letters में words की limitations को ध्यान में रखो. Okay, especially the ones who are good with writing, they go on writing a lot of stuff. Don't write too much, keep the limitation of words in mind. Okay, convey as much as possible with minimum words. Avoid using too much of words because you end up making that many mistakes when you write too much stuff. आपका लेटर जब हो जाता है देन डाउन यू हैव टू मेक अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री क्लोज करने का एक तरीका होता है. व्हेन यू फॉर्मली चैट विद समवन यू ग्रीट देम एंड यू व्हेन यू लीव यू से गुड बाय, राइट. दैट इज द वे ऑफ that is the basic etiquette of leaving a conversation. You don't just while talking just don't walk out. You just say thank you sir, thank you so much for giving your time. Similarly, when you are doing in return conversation, you have to give a complimentary close, thanking you, yours sincerely, faithfully, or truly. Any one of these. Sab ke sab mat likho. Yours truly, and then comes your name, your designation. The designation means the post, whether you're a student or you are the office bearer or you are the student representative. वो आपको उसमें देना पड़ता है. In case if you are any one of them. Otherwise, if you are just a normal citizen, you just have to write your name and you can close the letter properly. Okay, ये होता है सही लेटर. नाउ दूसरा, I'll come to the confusions that you all have in your mind. फर्स्ट मैंने बताया कि जब आप व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग द एड्रेस ऑफ द एड्रेसी जिसको आप एड्रेस कर रहे हो, यू राइट, जैसे यू यूज द वर्ड ऑफ, एडिटर ऑफ, class teacher off. Don't use that word. Your address should be in the three sentences. Okay. Next, that mistake that you is that most of the time now you have been taught that the one address comes to the right side. Then your complimentary close also, you sign off the letter, end the letter in the right hand side. According to the new pattern, the entire thing comes to the left hand side as given on your screen. So let us adopt the new way and new pattern of writing the letter. Don't do that. Some of you write in the left. It's not wrong, but according to the new technique, this is the way it is written. Everything comes to the left hand side, so it is neat to look. Okay, when you look at your letter, should also look like this. When you write a letter in your exam, it should be like this. Proper spacing होना चाहिए. Address के बाद एक line आप leave करो. Then date के बाद you have to write down exactly, it should be like that. Do not change the format of the letter. If you make it upside down, if your subject comes before the address of the addressee, it is wrong. You might lose a mark over there. Okay. Now when you start, main body of the letter starts after salutation. Respected sir, ma'am के बाद जब आपका letter start होता है, the letter should be in 3 paragraphs. Okay. पहला पैराग्राफ आप इंट्रोडक्शन दोगे कि आप किस बारे में लेटर लिखना चाहते हो. सेकंड, यू हैव टू टॉक अबाउट मेन इश्यूज अबाउट दैट टॉपिक. Okay, what are the, if you're writing about sound pollution during festivals, you can write about the nuisance, the health disorders, etc., etc. And the last paragraph should be the concluding paragraph. That means compulsorily your letter should come in 3 paragraphs. Then complimentary close जहाँ पे आप एक formally end कर रहे हो अपना letter, and then you have to always write yours sincerely, or you can write yours faithfully or yours obediently. Always there should be, it's compulsory to write the complimentary close. Okay. After that, now let us see one letter. I have there's a letter on your screen. Just see how it is written. Okay. In the corner, in the boxes, the format is given for you to understand how the letter should be there. Let's see how the letter goes. 7 Club Road, Hyderabad, April 12, 2020. पहले आ गया आपका एड्रेस 2 लाइन में, उसके बाद आया है डेट. देन The editor of Hyderabad Times, post box number 350, Hyderabad 1. ये हो गया रिसीवर का एड्रेस. देन सर, ये हो गया सैल्यूटेशन. आपको ये ऐसे ही लिखना है, इस फॉर्मेट में ही लिखना है. Okay, then comes the subject, inadequate water supply. Very, very important, children. Underline the term, underline my statement that it is very, very important to have a good subject line. Okay, it can get you good score if you are very good at writing. अभी आप अगर सब्जेक्ट को देखेंगे, ये एक इनकम्प्लीट फ्रेज है, इनकम्प्लीट सेंटेंस है, बट द मैसेज इज कन्वेड कि ये लेटर किस बारे में, इट्स अबाउट द इनएडिक्वेट सप्लाई ऑफ वाटर इन योर locality. Let's start the letter. Through the medium of your newspaper, I would like to draw the attention of the civic authority to the bad quality and inadequate supply of tap water in our locality. It is unfortunate that the civic authorities do not care to provide citizens even with the basic amenities. And the letter comes like that, and then end me. If you see the last line, last paragraph, it is hoped that instead of ignoring the matter, the authorities concerned will take immediate steps to ensure adequate supply of good quality tap water in our locality. Now, which locality are they talking about? They're talking about the 7 Club Road in Hyderabad. They are talking about that locality. तो आप हर बार अपना एड्रेस लेटर में मेंशन ना करें. It is understood. Okay, and then you see the last complimentary clause. Yours faithfully, and down you can write your name. Now, this is how your letter should be, and this is what is expected of you to write. Okay, minimum words and maximum the message is conveyed in the through this letter. Do not use too much of words. Again, I am saying you the same thing. Some students, especially the ones who are good at writing, they write two pages of letter. That is absolutely wrong. In coming days, when you had to apply for jobs, when you are giving your resumes to people, less words. Okay, do not focus on using many words. Now, this topic we had already done in the previous video. This is a continuation part of the first video that you have already seen, that is email writing. So, this is how the templates are, and this is how you are expected to write. There's a difference between a letter and a email. Okay, so in email writing, see, first, sorry, first you have the sender's mail ID, email ID, you know how it is there. Okay, abc at xyz www.com. That is how the email address is. First comes the senders from, जो भेज रहा है उसका. Then comes the email ID. Okay, it is directly going to reach the mailbox of that person. CC, BCC. मतलब if you want to send attachments to other people also, for example, if you're sending a birthday invitation. Okay, so instead of keeping sending it individually, you can just add them also in the list, and this mail will be sent to them also. Then comes the subject line, the title or the reason of writing mail. Okay, then salutation, then again the main body, 3 paragraphs mein introduction, matter in detail, and conclusion. Closing, your ending statement, attachments. Now, this is not there in the letter, this is there in the mail. You also have it in the letter that if you're attaching some other documents with it, you mention those documents. Okay, here you can attach files, mails, images, etc., etc. This is a sample email that I have brought for you. Just go through that, and in this manner, you have to write your